Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a loading screen on Roblox Studio. Before going on to Roblox Studio, we will be providing a link which you can follow to get the model. When you get to the link, you can click on Get Model. After you've gotten the model, you can click on Try in Studio. This will bring out a pop-up and you can say Open. And here it says loading screen include one script. So we're going to click on OK. And then here in the studio, you're going to make sure you're under Home and then select Toolbox because this will bring out the toolbox on the left sidebar. After that's done, you're going to go over to the sidebar and here you can see loading screen. We're going to move loading screen to Starter GUI and you can see right here it's under Starter GUI. And then after moving loading screen to under GUI folder, you're going to come over here to this bottom section still on the right side and under data, you're going to scroll down. Now here under enabled, there is a checkbox you need to tick. Great, and now we have the model which we downloaded here on our Roblox Studio. Now we can make some customization options right here. So in order to change the name, we can come over to loading screen, click on the drop down menu. Now here you can see bar background, assets loaded, display percentage and game title. When you click on game title, you can see the border just around the name of the game. You can double click on it and then make some changes. And also, if you want to change the color of the background, it's not a problem because right here under the properties, you can make some changes to the background color. And now we've selected the background, we're going to click on the background color, which is dark, and then we're going to change it to blue. As you can see, as we're changing it, it's changing in the background. We're going to click on OK, and this looks nicer. Also, if you want to change the color of the progress bar, you just need to come over here to bar background, click on the drop down, and then you can see bar right here. We're going to click on the drop down once again, and then you're going to select UI stroke. We're going to click on it, and then when we click on it, you can see the background color is white. We're going to click on this, take it to this side, just so we can see this, and then we're going to change it to green. And press OK. And now we have it in green. So these are different options you can make to personalize your loading screen. Just simply click on the element you want and then change the properties right here. And now with some of these settings made, such as the name and the progress bar, we're going to come over to the top left area here and press on the play button. Now this play button is for a preview and we're going to click on it. As you can see, it's currently loading and that's how it's looking right now based on our edit. If you want to make some more changes, you can go once again to the top left corner and click on the stop icon. Press the red stop icon and it's going to take you back to the edit page. And so far, we've just shown you how you can make your loading screen from the model which we downloaded from the website in the description link. And now we have what we want. If this video was helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.